Umoja means unity in Swahili, bringing people from all walks of life together. At our core, we are a business that's centered around providing access to healthcare and nutritious food for all people.
Being a mission-based company, I really believe in Umoja's goal. What we do matters. We're a very privileged country, but there's still a lot of hunger. So we try to, in the most efficient way possible, provide nutritious, healthy, good tasting food to kids and their families.
Umoja has three main verticals, which is healthcare, nonprofits, and government. And those are the target audiences we serve.
So we've got food for health, focused on food as medicine,
where we utilize an array of solutions, including medically tailored meals, medically supportive groceries, and produce prescriptions, coupled with nutrition education to really help people lead healthier lives.
The idea that nutrition and healthcare belong together is a surprisingly novel concept. It seems obvious, but it's not taught in med school.
The second leg of the stool at Umoja focuses on work with all 267 food banks throughout the United States of America.
There's a lot of challenges that food banks face when sourcing products, finding the right products at the right price. So we really want to help leverage our expertise in sourcing and procurement to help them not only find cost-effective solutions, but healthy solutions.
And then our work with government. What that is, big events that are FEMA related, disaster relief. There's some things that happen at a high institutional governmental level where a lot of people need access to food and medicine and better health care on an emergency basis.
We're currently doing a lot of work with military nonprofits, namely the Military Family Advisory Network, MFAN. We've developed some PCS boxes which are going to active duty military and their families. Now, our military families are extremely important to Umoja.
We service all 50 states. Right now, we can get anywhere in the United States in 2 days.
The scale of these challenges is massive. We've gone against multi-billion-dollar public companies, been able to cut pricing by 15–20%, and just have those dollars go that much further.
For so long, different groups have been left out of the food programs. And we've really made a concerted effort to give culturally appropriate meals, provide them in different areas throughout the U.S.
We can do tens of thousands of meal kits in a single day here, which is much different than the other big logistics companies. But at Umoja, we're able to send 20 to 50 items in a box. The menus rotate so that people are getting different food items every week. And it's incredibly complex thinking about tens of thousands of boxes with tens of different items rotating through that and having the systems and operations and logistics. The assembly line and team and processes around that is what I know this team is better than anyone else in the country doing that.
Across the continuum, there's so much that is dependent upon the services that we provide, that the more that we can affect change, the more lives that we can touch, the better off we are.
When you walk out in our warehouse and you see the lines of pallets, each one is a person, each one is a child. There's a name on every box. That's not only a lot of responsibility, it's also very moving. And I challenge the team as we're putting together Kits for Kids to put a name on it, to think of, that this is going to some kid and his name is, or her name is this. It just carries a different weight.
There is a West African proverb that I love and that I say to our constituents and our team all the time, and it's if you want to go fast, go alone, but if you want to go far, go together. And I'm a big believer that the only way that you can achieve anything in this life is by teaming with people and having great partners, great relationships, and having a cause that people believe in. And that's the only way great things are done. It's not built on any single person's vision. It takes a coalition and it takes an effort.
Umoja means unity in Swahili. There's a reason for that. We're united in what we do.
We're united in the drive for access to healthcare and quality food for all.